Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. You will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content is visible on your screen that you want to capture, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You have the flash along with the pop-up right here with scrollable capture, and also, what was the second option? And share. And after a moment this does disappear. Once it does so, you can find the actual captured screenshot in your Photos application. Now, you'll typically be located in the Photos tab, so you'll want to navigate to Collections, and in Collections you'll find an album called Screenshots. Now in here you can see screenshots and screen recordings, and here are the two screenshots that I've captured just a moment ago. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.